Okay, please. Can you close the door? People are there. Not really. Observe here. First, let me note down in the notepad. S3 bucket, we know it for uploading the, maintaining the files or folder. Yes, sir. Yes or no? Maintaining the files. But what are the files you're storing there? It's chargeable. How's that, sir? Once you create S3 bucket, if you public access, anybody can upload a file. Yes or no? Correct, sir? No. SNS for what? Notification. How's Lambda, running the code. Running the code, it will take the input from AWS event or manual input. Test configure anta ಮಾಡ್ತಾ ಇದ್ವಿ. Test configure event. Yes or no, sir? There we are passing 10, 20, 30 also. Otherwise, AWS EC2 instances also use. Stopping, starting, fetching details. Yes or no, sir? Clear? One is manual input. ಇವಾಗ ಇದು ಮ್ಯಾನ್ಯುಯಲ್ ರನ್ ಮಾಡ್ತೇವೆ. ರನ್ನಿಂಗ್ ದ ಕೋಡ್ ಮ್ಯಾನ್ಯುಯಲಿ ಡನ್ till now. Yes or no, sir? Correct? No. What is the code? What is the output will get? It will come in AWS logs group. ಹೌದಲ್ವಾ? Yes, sir. AWS cloudWatch ಅಲ್ಲಿ log groups ಅಂತ ಬರ್ತಾ ಇತ್ತು. ಅದು ಸ್ಟೋರ್ ಆಗ್ತಿತ್ತು. That is cloudWatch. Now out this, we're going to combine this all the four services. All the four services, and we're going to create our project. Project is very important. Please understand. If anyone upload a file or anything, upload a file, delete a file, any operation, overwrite a file. Correct, sir? Correct? Would like to get a automatically details of the file deleted or uploaded need to be captured and send the notification. Anyone upload a file, delete a file, overwrite a file, correct? Automatically lambda. Details of file should be uploaded and ಹೇಳಿದ್ನಲ್ಲ, details of file need to be captured from lambda. ಹಂಗಂದ್ರೆ ಏನರ್ಥ ಇವಾಗ? If anyone upload a file, immediately lambda will trigger. ಮುಂಚೆ ಮ್ಯಾನ್ಯುಯಲ್ ರನ್ ಮಾಡ್ತಾ ಇದ್ವಿ. ಯಾರಂದ್ರೆ ಫೈಲ್ ಅಪ್ಲೋಡ್ ಮಾಡಿದ ತಕ್ಷಣನೇ ಲಾಂಬ್ಡಾ ಕೋಡ್ ರನ್ ಆಗುತ್ತೆ. ಲಾಂಬ್ಡಾ ಕೋಡ್ will run. One lambda code is run, the details will be captured in cloudWatch. Logs ಅದು. ಅಲ್ಲಿಂದ ನೋಟಿಫಿಕೇಶನ್ ಕಳಿಸುತ್ತೆ. This will be an automatic trigger. ಅರ್ಥ ಆಯ್ತಾ? ಇವಾಗ ಟ್ರಿಗರ್ ಪಾಯಿಂಟ್ ಏನಾಯ್ತು ಇದಕ್ಕೆ? ಟ್ರಿಗರ್ ಬಂದು S3. ಹಂಗಂದ್ರೆ S3 ಅಪ್ಲೋಡ್ ಮಾಡಿದಾಗ ಲಾಂಬ್ಡಾಗ್ ಟ್ರಿಗರ್ ಹೇಳ್ತಾ ಇರೋದು ನಾನು. ಲಾಂಬ್ಡಾಗ್ ಇನ್ಪುಟ್ ಬಂದು S3. ಓಕೆ, ಇದು ಲಾಂಬ್ಡಾ. ಔಟ್ಪುಟ್ ಬಂದು SN. ಅದೇ ನಾವೇನು ಮ್ಯಾನ್ಯುಯಲ್ ಟ್ರಿಗರ್ ಮಾಡಿ ನಾವೇನು ಮ್ಯಾನ್ಯುಯಲ್ ರನ್ ಮಾಡಲ್ಲ. It's automatic done. Clear, sir? That will do. We'll complete a maximum 30 minutes only, but functionality is very important. This you should mention in your project. Clear, sir? I told four services combine and we'll do one project. That will do. Go to lambda. Go to lambda, sir. Yes, sir. Then click. All done? Yes, sir. Will do? Will do, right? Click on create function. Everyone right? Everyone ready? Click on create function. Function lambda function name we can get a lambda SNS cloudWatch S3. Anything, your wish, what the name you want to give. That's for your understanding only. Yes, sir. Give the function name. Runtime, we can select the Python because we are going to run the Python code. Clear, sir? Ready? What happened? Understanding the clear. Next, architecture showing 64-bit. Permission will be automatically selected. You don't need to worry. Automatically selected only when you're doing in EC2 instance. You'll get a not CloudWatch was not lambda. Lambda was not. Lambda doesn't have permission to run the EC2 instance or other instance of the website. Correct? At the time, we manually went to role. We added the role EC2 to the access. Yeah, correct? But here we won't ask, obviously, mostly I think so. Let's run the code, then we'll see. Yes, sir. First, we create a function. Okay. Now, Python will return permission, no need to do anything. It will automatically selected. You can see by defaultly, lambda will only automatically create the required permission. Adagilla, we go to manually give. Clear? Now, click on the create function. Click on the create function. Click on the create function. Aita. All done words, create a function, get lift answer. Okay. Now we're going to add a trigger. Click on add trigger. Click on add trigger. ಬರ್ತಾ ಇದೆಯಾ? ಇದು ಒಂದು ಇನ್ಪುಟ್. ಇನ್ಪುಟ್ ಬಂದು ಯಾವುದು? S3. Select the source, search for S3, select S3. Bucket, ಕೇಳ್ತಿದ್ಯಾ? Bucket name. Yesterday what you create a bucket, same bucket only you can use, sir. Bucket name. Ready? All done? Correct. Event types are there. What are the things, object, anything happen on this particular bucket, I want to get a notification, I want to get a, it should be the input for the lambda. Suppose you want to any only for upload. Anta iddaga, illide option nimge. Put, post, all is entinta. Correct alva? Correct, sir? But I want for all, I'll select for all. You also select for all only. Prefix, so. Prefix and suffix. Only for the file. File starting with Praveen. File starting, please, sir. Observe, sir. Observe, sir. Only the file name starting with Praveen you want to take. At that time, I'm going to mention this. Yes. Prefix. Suffix. What are the file? JPG file, .txt file as a requirement. That one. But we're going to do for all. No issue. Acknowledge madi. Then add. Aita trigger ಸಿಗ್ತೀವ ನಮಗೆ. Trigger next destination. Anybody? Advent. File issue. Is it done? We continue. Aita. Yes, sir. Aita, sir. Done. Now, see now. Now, please observe, please observe, please observe. S3 bucket will be the trigger point. S3 bucket is input for the lambda. Once any file is uploaded to the S3 bucket, lambda will run the code. Please understand, please. 1 second, 1 second, 1 second. 1 second. Anyone uploaded file in S3 bucket, lambda will get the input. Lambda will run the code. After running the code, you capture details in CloudWatch log and send a notification. Trigger point ಸಿಕ್ತು ನಮ್ಗೆ ಇವಾಗ. Now I need to add a destination. Add destination is there. Click on add destination. But normally production, sir, we'll try to get notified for failure only. Production, we going to get notified for failure only, but we'll try for success. We'll try for success only. On success ಕೊಡಿ SNS ಟಾಪಿಕ್ ಸಿಗುತ್ತೆ ಅಲ್ಲೇ ಡೆಸ್ಟಿನೇಷನ್ ಸೆಲೆಕ್ಟ್ ಮಾಡಿದ ತಕ್ಷಣ ಅಲ್ಲೇ SNS ಕಾನ್ಫಿಗರ್ ಮಾಡಿದ್ರೆ ನಿಮಗೆ ಬರುತ್ತೆ. ಮಾಡಿದಾರು ಮಾಡಿದ್ರಾ? I'll give another 2 minutes. People having issue, please let me know. ಆಯ್ತಾ? ಮಾಡಿ ರೆಕಾರ್ಡಿಂಗ್ ತಗೊಳ್ಳಿ ಸರ್. ಟೆನ್ಷನ್ ಮಾಡ್ತೀರಾ? Understood, right? People are not getting SMS, no need to worry. No need to worry. If you're able to do completely, you won't get email, that's it. But rest all the stuff can be covered. Understand, Nikhil? Our destination. On success, but on success, on success. Destination. Done. P4 is not selected. You need to select the standard. Not into this. You won't get email interface. That's all that's been. After now, people who don't have SMS notification, you won't get email. Rest all the steps can be covered. Not to worry. Okay. Now we'll start with this thing. Please observe. Please observe. Please observe. Please observe. Murunaita. Do it. Do it. Input, output. Correct, sir? Now I'm going to write the code. I'm going to write the code for capture in file upload ಮಾಡ್ತೀವೋ ಆ details capture ಮಾಡಕ್ಕೆ ಒಂದು code ಬರೀತೀವಿ. 4 line code. 4 line code only that we need to do. Okay, that we going to do. That will details will capture. Correct? We'll start this. First I'm going to try. Afterwards we're going to try. Not now. Next I'll go to code. See, sir. This is event ಅಂತ ಮಾಡ್ತಾ ಇದ್ವಿ ಗೊತ್ತಾ? Test configure test event. Lambda ಅಲ್ಲಿ. Test configure event. Yes or no? That is the event. Now this event will automatically taken the input from the S3 bucket. ಅದಕ್ಕೆ ನಾವು details capture ಮಾಡಕ್ಕೆ ನಾನು ಇವಾಗ ಕೋಡ್ ಬರೀತೀನಿ. First I'm going to print. I'm going to do, you no need to do. I'm going to give the final code for you. Don't worry. Event. Full list ಮಾಡ್ತೀನಿ first. Later we're going to do, not now. Only this much only giving. I'm going. This is not final code. I want only file name, bucket name, file size, file date when it got uploaded. 4 details. Now I'll get this much output. Correct, please. ಇದಾದ್ಮೇಲೆ ಡೆಪ್ಲಾಯ್ ಮಾಡ್ಬೇಕಾ? Yes, sir. You don't do now. Later I'm going to do. Now, ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಏನ್ ಮಾಡಿದ್ವಿ ನಾರ್ಮಲ್ ಪೈಥಾನ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಪೈಥಾನ್ ಲ್ಯಾಂಬ್ಡಾ ಏನ್ ಮಾಡಿದ್ವಿ ನಾವು ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಹೋಗಿ ಟೆಸ್ಟ್ ಮಾಡ್ತಿದ್ವಿ ಕ್ರಿಯೇಟ್ ನ್ಯೂ ಇವೆಂಟ್ ಕೊಟ್ಟು. ಇವಾಗ ಇದು ಮಾಡಲ್ಲ. ಇದು ಇನ್ಪುಟ್ ದಿಸ್ ದ ವಾಟ್ ದ ಕ್ರಿಯೇಟ್ ನ್ಯೂ ಟೆಸ್ಟ್ ದಟ್ ವಿಲ್ ಗೆಟಿಂಗ್ ಫ್ರಮ್ S3 ಬಕೆಟ್. ಇವಾಗ S3 ಬಕೆಟ್ ಹೋಗ್ತೀನಿ, ಒಂದು ಫೈಲ್ ಅಪ್ಲೋಡ್ ಮಾಡ್ತೀನಿ, ಆಟೋಮೆಟಿಕ್ ಆಗಿ ಬರುತ್ತೆ. ಕ್ಲಿಯರ್ ಸರ್? I'm going to show you step by step. Please understand. Understanding? Yeah. Okay. I'm going to open, sir. Please observe, sir. Yes, sir. Now, I'm going to select the S3 bucket. I'm going to click on the upload file, add file. Let me take any of the file, documents, anything resume I selected. Yes, sir. ಇವಾಗ ನೋಡಿ ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಇದು ಮಾಡಿದ ತಕ್ಷಣನೇ ಲ್ಯಾಂಬ್ಡಾ ಕೋಡ್ ರನ್ ಆಗುತ್ತೆ. I would have got a mail now. Sometime. Then, sir, now I need to verify. I click on monitor. cloudWatch ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಬರುತ್ತೆ ಅಂತ ಹೇಳಿದ್ನಾ? ನಾನು ಲ್ಯಾಂಬ್ಡಾ ಕೋಡ್ ನಾನು ಮೇಲೆ ರನ್ ಮಾಡಿಲ್ಲ, ಆಟೋ ರನ್ ಆಗಿರುತ್ತೆ. I click on cloudWatch logs now. ಅಂತ mail I got. Clear, sir? Now I click on the log groups. ಬಂದಿದೆಯಾ ಇಲ್ಲೇ ನೋಡಿ, ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಡೀಟೇಲ್ಸ್ ಸಿಗುತ್ತೆ. ಒಂದು ಎಂಟ್ರಿ ಬಂತಾ ಇಲ್ಲಿ? ಕ್ಲಿಕ್ ಮಾಡ್ತೀನಿ, ಡೀಟೇಲ್ಸ್ ಇರುತ್ತೆ. ಡೌನ್ಲೋಡ್ ಮಾಡ್ತೀನಿ, ನಾನು ಕಾಪಿ ಮಾಡ್ತೀನಿ, ನೋಟ್ ಪ್ಯಾಡ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಪೇಸ್ಟ್ ಮಾಡ್ತೀನಿ. ಸೊ ಯು ಕ್ಯಾನ್ ಅಂಡರ್ಸ್ಟ್ಯಾಂಡ್ ವಾಟ್ ಇಸ್ ದ ಔಟ್ಪುಟ್. ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಲಿನಕ್ಸ್ ಪ್ರವೀಣ್ ರೆಸ್ಯೂಮ್ ಇಸ್ ದೇರ್ somewhere. Praveen 9 years Linux shell scripting Python AWS Ansible. ಇದು ಇರೋದು JSON ಅಲ್ಲಿ. ನಂಗೆ ಇದೆಲ್ಲ ಔಟ್ಪುಟ್ ಬೇಕಾಗಿಲ್ಲ. ಐ ವಾಂಟ್ ಓನ್ಲಿ ದ ಫೈಲ್ ನೇಮ್, ಬಕೆಟ್ ನೇಮ್, ಫೈಲ್ ಸೈಜ್. ದಟ್ I'm going to write a Python little bit. Understanding, sir? Clear now? Yes. ಇಲ್ಲಿ ನೋಡಿ ಒಂದೊಂದಾಗಿ ಮಾಡೋಣ. Then after giving the code, you people do. First ಇದು ಡಿಕ್ಷನರಿ records code. Understood right now? Yes, sir. Give me some time, afterwards you can try. Integration of multiple services. Correct, sir? Records ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಲಿಸ್ಟ್ ಒಂದೇ ಲಿಸ್ಟ್, ಒಂದೇ ಐಟಮ್ ಇರೋದು. ಸೊ I'll give you a 0. ನೆಕ್ಸ್ಟ್ 0 ಕೊಟ್ಟು ನಮ್ಗೆ ಬೇಕಾಗಿರೋದು ಬಕೆಟ್ ನೀವಲ್ಲ. ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಕೀ ಬಂದು S3 ಆಯ್ತಾ ಇಲ್ಲಿ? ಕೀ ಬಂದು S3 ಆಯ್ತು. People who studied Python, at least you learn. People who are not joined Python till can lift hands. Who are not joined Python till. Who are not joined Python. Can you lift your hand, please? 1, 2, 3. You have started. You are 2, 3. ನಿಮ್ಮ ಬ್ಯಾಚ್ ಎಲ್ಲಿ ಬರ್ತಾ ಇದ್ದೀರಾ ನೀವು? ಓಕೆ, S3 ಆಯ್ತು. S3 ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಏನ್ ಬೇಕಾಗಿರೋದು ನನಗೆ? ಬಕೆಟ್. ಬಕೆಟ್ ಕೀ ಆಯ್ತಾ? ಸೇವ್ ಮಾಡ್ತೀನಿ. ಕರೆಕ್ಟ್ ಸಾ? ಬಕೆಟ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಏನ್ ಬೇಕು? ಬಕೆಟ್ ನೇಮ್ ಬೇಕು. ಕರೆಕ್ಟಾ? ನೆಕ್ಸ್ಟ್ ಫೈಲ್ ನೇಮ್. ಇಲ್ಲಿ ತನಕ ಸೇಮ್ ಇರುತ್ತೆ. ಬೇಕಾಗಿರೋದು ನೆಕ್ಸ್ಟ್ ಆಬ್ಜೆಕ್ಟ್ ಆಗಿದೆ, ಕರೆಕ್ಟ್ ಅಲ್ಲ ಸರ್? ಆಬ್ಜೆಕ್ಟ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಕೀ ಬರುತ್ತೆ, ಫೈಲ್ ನೇಮ್ ಆಬ್ಜೆಕ್ಟ್, ನೆಕ್ಸ್ಟ್ ಅದರಲ್ಲಿ ಕೀ, ಕರೆಕ್ಟ್ ಸರ್? ಅಷ್ಟೇ, ಕೀ ಬಂತು ಸಾಕು. ಎಸ್ ಸರ್. ನೆಕ್ಸ್ಟ್ ಫೈಲ್ ಸೈಜ್ ಬೇಕು ನನಗೆ. ಇಲ್ಲಿ ತನಕ ಸೇಮೇ ಬರುತ್ತೆ, ಆಬ್ಜೆಕ್ಟ್ ಸೇಮ್ ಬರುತ್ತೆ. ಆಬ್ಜೆಕ್ಟ್ ಕೀ ಆಯ್ತು. I'm going to give size. Yes, sir. Correct. This I got it now. Now I'm printing it. ಇಷ್ಟು ಔಟ್ಪುಟ್ ಬರೋ ಬದಲು ಇವಾಗ 3 ಲೈನ್ ಬರುತ್ತೆ. Bucket name, file name, file size. You want the date and time also, you'll get the date and time somewhere here. Date and time, date and time. And you are able to see the date and time. ಇಲ್ಲಿದೆಯಲ್ಲ event time. ಇದು ಓಕೆ, ಅದ್ಕೊಂದು ಐಡಿ ಈ ಟ್ಯಾಗು ಬರುತ್ತೆ, ಬೇಕಾಗಿದ್ರೆ ಮಾಡ್ಕೊಂಡು. ಬಟ್ ಐ ವಿಲ್ ಪ್ರಿಂಟ್ ಓನ್ಲಿ ದಿಸ್ 3. And ARN ಬಕೆಟ್ ARN ಸರ್ ನಿನ್ನೆ ಮಾಡಿದ್ವಿ ಗೊತ್ತಾ? ಕರೆಕ್ಟ್ ಸರ್? No. I'm going to print it. Let's see, sir, how it's going to print. Below are the details of the event. ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಇಲ್ಲಿ ನೋಡಿ, ಆಬ್ಜೆಕ್ಟ್ ಕ್ರಿಯೇಟೆಡ್ ಇವೆಂಟ್. ಯಾವ ತರ ಇವೆಂಟ್ ಇದು? ಪುಟ್ಟ, ಡಿಲೀಟ. ಪುಟ್ ಮೀನ್ಸ್ ಅಪ್ಲೋಡ್, ಕರೆಕ್ಟ್ ಸರ್? FTP also you will write. Bucket name is equal to 0 ಕೊಡ್ತೀನಿ, ಸ್ಲಾಶ್ n. ಫೈಲ್ ನೇಮ್ is equal to 1 ಕೊಡ್ತೀನಿ. ಫೈಲ್ ಇನ್ನೊಂದು ಯಾವುದು ಫೈಲ್ ಸೈಜ್ ಅಲ್ಲ, 2 ಕೊಡ್ತೀನಿ. Dot format of bucket name, comma, file underscore name, comma, file underscore size. Yes, sir. Correct. Now I'm going to deploy the function. Yes, sir. Now I'll try to upload a file, then we'll see, sir. Clear? Ready, right? Clearly, keep in mind here I'm not manually running. Auto triggered. I'll upload. Done, sir. Now we'll verify. Monitor ಹೋಗಿಂದ ಇಲ್ಲೇ ಆಲ್ರೆಡಿ ಓಪನ್ ಮಾಡಿದ್ದೀನಿ, ಬಟ್ ಐ ಶೋ ಯು ಒನ್ಸ್ ಅಗೇನ್. I'm going to click on cloudWatch log. I should get another entry now. Let's see. It worked correctly. Sometime there may be fetching the event, there may be slow also, but ಬಂದಿದೆ already. Good. Only one entry was there. Now second entry. Let's see now. Output correct ಬಂದಿದೆ, ಅದು important ನನಗೆ. Something got wrong. Error in code, not error in the code. The bucket bucket of bucket here the ಕೊಟ್ಟಿದ್ದೀನಿ. That's the problem. I need to go to code. Bucket of name, no sir, here. ಎಲ್ಲಿ ಅದು output? Bucket of name. I given like bucket of bucket. So I need to deploy once again. Again, I need to upload new thing. Close. Upload ಅರ್ಥ ಆಗ್ತಿದೆಯಲ್ಲ? Hopefully it's fine. Let me see, sir. I'll go here directly. ಬಂದಿದೆ. Third entry. Yes, sir. If my code is right, it should show correct details. I don't know. In spelling mistake again. Let's see. Double B. Anybody should identify me there. Let me copy paste this in Notepad. Then we'll identify and see, sir, if anything is there. ಎಲ್ಲಿ ಸರ್ ಈವೆಂಟ್? ಮಿಸ್ಟೇಕ್ ಮಾಡಿದ್ದೀನಿ. ಅದೇ ಟ್ರೈ ಅಂಡ್ ಎಕ್ಸೆಪ್ಟ್ ಆಗಿದ್ರೆ ಏನು ಇಶ್ಯೂ ಆಗ್ತಾ ಇರಲಿಲ್ಲ. Try and today we covered right Python. That's the thing. Right? Everything fine, right? Let me verify. Notepad to see delete the keywords. That we can use. Normally we use Python. Python will use, but Notepad plus is not able to identify the what the issue. It shows highlight the keyword. It highlights the keyword, but not that we can't. But sometimes it's showing the YAML also. But we can't because based on each programming, there's a different keywords. You need that. Instead of that one, go for Python or what related things. Event record 0. Okay, sir. Let me try now. I need to delete this all the files, sir. Everything is chargeable. Okay, I deploy now. Let me see, sir. Last try. ನೋಡೋಣ. In free account, there may be a limitation of log groups also, but hopefully it will work. Let me see. Okay, sir. I don't know until the code execute. This will be confusion only for me. Came, sir. Fourth. Came. Clear, sir. Let me see. Came. Bucket name. File name. File 6. Yes, sir. Out of that means complete previous expert. This is all the output I'm getting. I've fetched the required thing. Clear, sir. I'm going to paste the code in the Skype chat. You can try. Clear, right? Complete ಎಲ್ಲ delete ಮಾಡಿ ಇದು paste ಮಾಡಿ. Full complete delete ಮಾಡಿ paste ಮಾಡಿ. Understood, right? partition. That is as the normal partition, what I told, you're doing the existing partition, existing is only most. Adding unit comes. Adding unit. Existing. You don't have adding unit. You want to go? Great. No, what happened? How much did you? I'm going to consider only package number important. Other thing I'm not going to consider much. Partition you have to do. Partition is the important one. For adding new is the if you don't know the shell script, can be good for only for today. If they are not good shell script, you can be good also. I discuss 20, you put 40 partition. No, you understood? You take understood? Then down. Then test one hour should not ban when you do. You are doing ban. What is it? People like your name after seeing you, I remember music. Both are friends. No, okay. In comes to history bucket, file upload on the board on the automatic. In a planetary in login, history bucket will upload my decline. Open in new tab, history bucket. That have a name. That upload file. And this one is done. Third, how much important is for it? Automatic movement, auto triggers. It's better. Got it? Ajay, Krishan, Nandan sir. One got it, sir. One got 1, 2, 3. That's enough stuff. Macros will say. I will take the for it. ಆಯ್ತಾ ಎಂತ ವಾಟ್ ಆಲ್ರೆಡಿ ಆಗಿದೆ ಅಪ್ಲೋಡ್ ಮಾಡಿ ಪೇಜ್ ಅಲ್ಲ ಡಾಕ್ಯುಮೆಂಟ್ ಬರ್ತಾ ಇದೆಯಾ ಅಲ್ವಾ ಮಾನಿಟರ್ get the skill thing. You know that cloud. So don't you take it. ಬಂದಿದೆ ಆಲ್ರೆಡಿ ಮುಟ್ಟಾಗ್ತಿದೆ ಮುಟ್ಟಾಗ್ತಿದೆ ಫೈಲ್ ಅಪ್ಲೋಡ್ ಒಂದೇ ಕ್ಲಿಯರ್ Abdana, this will be your last done. Big project. What is done? Added. It may take some time. Free cloud was also free account. AWS not free check, but you will get. Correct. cloud is coming, right? Who all got notification can give answer? Getting right. Abdul now. Okay. Clear. The same time you uploading, you can change the time. It comes the file. It's only lab and you need to explore. Come back here now. Please observe sir. Now. Yes, yesterday we started it. It's supposed to end another around 3 to 4 topics, subtopics are there. That is completed, then we can wind up. Next week we cover the transit gateway and cloud migration, and AWS we can go into again. And we started the Ansible mostly on Friday or on Sunday we started. Right? Saturday we try to complete everything. Sunday we started the Ansible. Ansible next Sunday and next to next week. Total 3 classes. Okay. Come back here now. Come back here. And we are going to what are the requirement you people having? Kindly bring to me. What are the things I'm planning to write the playbook? I'm going to make you to write also. Please, before that, what are the things you have want to try? Please, everyone should be able to write the YAML file. That's important. Correct? But I make you to do. I'm going to write line by line only. Observe here now. Please observe. Now. In properties, please observe, sir. Please observe. Let me update. You people already having the objects, I believe. I'll try to upload only one file. Observe now, please. Yesterday we discussed about the versioning. Okay. Bucket versioning we enabled. We discussed about the what is the versioning. We deleted the current version and we done also. Yes or no, sir? Correct? Today. Before going to encryption, tags is for normal objection. Default encryption. When this is got enabled, sir, from one special encryption like MFA is there, right? MFA is there, sir. Like that, using Python script, we're going to generate an encryption key. We're going to pass this thing to provide the more security. If we enable this thing, we're going to pass this as a, this can be used only during coding. SSE key will be there. That we're going to pass out. Getting my point, sir? During Python scripting, we're going to do that one. Don't worry about right now. Please observe. Right now, please observe. Please observe. Don't speak, sir. Please, sir. Please, sir. Intelligent tiering. This is important. Please observe. Please observe. I'm going to create a configuration. You don't need to do just see. Don't do. I'm also not going to create. Just I'm going to till last step. Limit the scope of configuration using one or more filter. This configuration apply to all the objects. Select madre, you want to apply this for only for JPG file, .txt file. That you can do. If you select this thing, it applicable for all the configuration in all the objects. Okay. Next, status. Whether the configuration will be disabled, enabled or disabled. It should be enabled always. Next, start, sir. Can tire down the arcade number of days until transaction is selected tire extend up to 2 years. When enable auto move when no one access it. First, when anybody upload once again, anybody upload an object in SA bucket, defaultly it will be standard. Birth certificate, I told the example, birth certificate, SLC master, PAN card, resume. All are important. But birth certificate important, but it's not frequently accessing. When you defaultly, when you're saving in the standard frequencer, you're informing AWS that data should be immediately available when you click. Correct? Then they'll charge 100 rupees. Example. Resume right now for you people. Even it should be immediately available. 100 rupees. Then please. No helping here. Anyone helping in the test, practical test. Please. Here. Now. Standard frequent. Now, let me take about the SRE marker. SRE marker. SRE marker important. But it's not required all the time. I want to store. That I can mention the standard infrequent. Standard infrequent starts for 10 rupees. When this S3 bucket is like a Google, right? Any data can store. You need to inform AWS how important the data, how much fast you should be able to access. If you're not informing this thing, for every object, they're going to charge 100 rupees. Example I'm telling. Standard frequent 100 rupees recording, infrequent 10 rupees recording, glacier get 5 rupees, deep glacier 1 rupee. Birth certificate is important, but it's not required when immediately before 15 years of the review. So I can save you 1 rupee, the deep glacier. Deep arcade. The important author was any little bit like important. Any other documents are important. That I can make a standard frequent. Little bit more not important than birth certificate. Any other? Huh? Election. Voter ID. Okay. Voter ID will take. Voter ID will take. Okay. Next, sir. That will be in the archive. Correct? Standard infrequent. Standard infrequent other good no. Aadhaar card, you can touch. Aadhaar card. Standard frequent. Resume. Standard frequently resume. Correct, sir? If you're not informed, if you're not doing like this life cycle, it will be intelligent tiering also I'm going to tell you. Intelligent that standard frequent is highly chargeable, infrequent little bit less chargeable, will take little bit more time as compared to standard frequent, where the glacier will take more time than standard infrequent, then it will take deep glacier. Here you can see archive access there. You upload an object. I want to When in beginning, I thought like this object is very much important, sir. While uploading, I felt like this object is very much important. It should be accessible by all the customer. All the customer be using this data. I thought that, correct? But nobody accessing the data. If you're not creating this life cycle, it is charging 100 rupees. So I want to make a life cycle here. When anybody not accessing, haven't accessed minimum of 90 days, automatically that object need to move to archive. 5 rupees. Correct, sir? If anybody not access the object for 180 days, refund. I'm creating a life cycle. I don't know. I uploading 10 songs. Which song is most viewable? That's my standard frequent. Which song is not less? It's not accessible on the date of launch for 90 days. It will move to the. Getting my point, sir? Understanding? Clear, sir? That's my second. Like this way only we can save the money. If you're not informing this thing, they'll charge everything more money. Clear, sir? I click on archive access again. Minimum 90 days on the sir. It's not compulsory 90 days. It can be more than 90 days. 200 days also I can mention. Minimum 90 days ಆಗಿರಲೇಬೇಕು. Clear, sir? Next, ಇಲ್ಲಿಂದ deep archive ಕೊಡ್ತೀನಿ. Deep archive I can make 500 days also. Understanding my point, right? Clear? I'm not going to create it because what are the things